Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about NEO. Okay, we're going to talk about NEO on the macro scale. We're going to take a look at NEO BTC and also NEO USD, both of them, and we're going to take a look at the lower degree also. But mainly going to be focused on we're going to be focusing on the wave analysis and what type of structure we could be getting over the next like a few weeks, few months, or even up to basically 2022. Okay, so NEO is extremely bullish, right, on the macro scale. Over the last few weeks, few days, the volatility has been very low regarding NEO. But in terms of like a long-term analysis, if you really pay attention to the structure of NEO, since like the March lows, it hasn't been doing bad. Okay, it is up like 500% nearly. Okay, if you take a look at it from swing low right here to swing high, okay, to the top, just about 650% move. Okay, so in less than 12 months. All right, so that's pretty good return. But is it the top? Are we expecting more price action from NEO? Are we going to drop lower to retest like the June prices, or are we going to be pumping to the upside and retest basically May 2018 prices? Right, we're going to take a look at it in terms of wave analysis. We're going to take a look at it in terms of trend lines. We're going to take a look at it in terms of beautiful volume, and we're going to take a look at it in terms of indicators. All of that good stuff, guys, we're going to talk about it today, right? So you know exactly you know I like my wave analysis, but most of the time I do not talk about them because sometimes the patterns and the overall market structure is more important sometimes than the wave analysis, right? But the wave analysis is going to give you direction. That's the difference between doing trading in a wave analysis for a wave analysis way, right? Or trading with just pattern. You see what I'm saying? Like for instance, right now the NEO directional move is pretty clear. Okay, it is upward. Okay, but you just don't know at what price level you want to be taking profit at. Okay, so but the wave is going to give you a direction, right? And it can give you like some sort of a range, okay, at what price level you're going to be taking profit at and all of that good stuff. So are we going to be able to break above $50? I'm not even talking about like $30, $35 and all of that good stuff, because in our premium we do have a target for $44 NEO. It is just moving slow, but it should get there very soon over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? So now let's take a look at NEO in terms of wave analysis, right? So we get the direction first, right? So we all agree, okay, I don't know about you, but me okay, we do agree, okay, in my premium group, like the direction for NEO, it is up. Okay, the direction for NEO, it is up, right? But how high can we go, and at what price level can we take profit at, right? So let's take a look at NEO in terms of wave. Okay, so when you take a look at NEO, the advantage of NEO is like when you take a look at the November December 2018 lows, when NEO was like give or take like $5 to $3 range, right here we did break the low. Okay, so in order to basically invalidate this one as being a wave one, all we needed to do is just break the low right here, and we did. But some people can say, oh, it's okay, we just broke it slightly, so it might be a wick. That's also true, but it is very advantageous, right, if we can ignore it, not ignore it, but include it and say, hey, that was a bottom, and our wave one going to start right here. That's going to be our starting point for our wave one, okay, right here, and that's our wave one right here. So if that's the case, we could be looking for this move as being wave two, right? And saying like it is done, and we're most likely going to go higher, and we're going to be looking for wave three to the upside. Okay, after that we're going to get wave four and wave five to the upside, right? But we're not going to talk about wave four and wave five. We're just going to focus on wave three, okay, with the first possible setup. Okay, we're going to talk about also the possibility of looking at this wave as wave one later on, right? But let's just focus on the most bullish setup, which is like if we expect like not expect, but if we saying this wave, it is wave one, and we already done with our wave two with a very impulsive wave to the upside. Let me do it like this so you guys can see. And let's say we saying like this wave right here, that's wave one, okay, of the next move to the upside, and it just started. It's not even like done yet, right? So we could say, okay, we could be looking for 1.618 extension, right, of wave one right here, right there, right? we're going to be looking for 1.618 extension. And if you take a look at 1.618 extension to the upside, guys, it is going to be just about like 250 to 280 range. Okay, assuming, okay, this wave right here, it is going to be wave 1. We're not going to talk about wave 4 because, you know, we got to hit $250 to $300 first before we talk about the next leg up. Okay, so that's the move we're going to be looking for to the upside. But let's take a look at the safest one. Okay, the safest one is like to look for, not to look for, but to say, hey, that's wave 1. Okay, and we're gonna say we did not break the low, we just retested it, right? Did not break it. This was just a wick, did not close below it, right? And we're gonna be still looking for 1.618 extension to the upside for wave 3. Remember, that's wave 3. Okay, we're not looking for wave 4 yet, right? So if we're gonna be looking for wave 3, we could be saying, hey, we're gonna do the same thing, right here. But we just have to ignore the wick, because since like we did not basically want to include it, we just say the wick gonna be right, the support is right there, which is wave 2, and wave 3 we're gonna be looking for just about like $44 to $50 range. Okay, so one of the reasons why I've been looking for NEO to hit $44 to $50, that's one of the reasons right here I was looking for it. Okay, and if you take a look at it from in terms of Fibonacci, also from swing high, right, to swing low, the same exact 1.618, right? If you include the wick, it is still going to be 0.618. So either way you look at it, okay, NEO, it is still bullish, right? $50 NEO, it is inevitable, right? $45 to $50 is inevitable, okay, in the short term, right? But me, I'm going to be looking for the most bullish setup, which is like 250 and higher. Okay, I know it is going to break all-time high, but we're just going to be looking for this wave to the upside up to basically 250. All right, it is not going to be a straight line. I do not expect NEO to do something like this all the way up to the upside, all the way up to 250. Okay, it could be very bumpy. This wave also could do something like this before moving to the upside, so something to keep in mind, right? Just in case we get a dump, right, NEO retests like a $15, $13 and so on, it's not going to change anything about the upside potential. Okay, because the move we got right here could also be a potential flat correction where we get this move right here. Okay, 3, we get this 3 also, and get another move right here where NEO gonna be correcting all over the place right here before giving us the big move to the upside, just like BNB. If you take a look at BNB from like nearly December to January, it's just been correcting since like December, since like first week of January. BNB just been correcting. Okay, just been giving it's been giving us a flat correction all over the place and just moving sideways. So do not discount the possibility of NEO, okay, lagging behind, okay, and not moving right away. But the direction, that's the most important. It is very accumulative right now. Anything below $30 and down to $50 for NEO, it is going to be a buy, because it is just going to be accumulative, and just in case we drop back down to $50, and most people are going to give up, but it is going to be the setup for the very, very big move to the upside. If we do not get it, the structure, it is still very, very bullish. Okay, we just could say, hey, this move right here, it is our ABC correction, and this move is very impulsive. No need to retrace down before pumping to the upside. Do you see what I'm saying? So most people are going to be panicking once we get the sell-off. We're going to get a sell-off at some point, right? We just don't know when. But if we do get a sell-off, right, in the market, it is just going to confirm our possibility to buy cheaper NEO at $13, $15, $16 range. Okay, it is already cheap at 22 if you're looking for like a 250 and higher. All right, that's all I wanted to cover for today. So short-term target for NEO is going to be just about 45 to 50. Upside potential all the way up to 250. It is going to break all-time high, so that's going to be great. So it means we're going to get wave 5 to the upside, could be way above like $400 to $500. So NEO, it is a good hold. Support area to keep an eye on, just in case we get a flash crash, going to be 12, 13, 14 and 15, and which is right here, just about December 2020 lows. Okay, December 2020 lows was like 12.15, and we did call it back then. Back in August, we said a NEO could potentially retrace all the way down here. If you take a look at it from swing low to swing high, right, we called for this move down to 382, and we already created a new high right here. Okay, high, high. Okay, we already created our trend line bullish structure to the upside. Big sell volume right here, low buy volume right here, so just have to be cautious. Okay, just in case we do get a panic sell and people start dumping the near and all of that good stuff, right? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today, right? If you're new to our content, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join our public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join some premium trading in on Discord, right, you can basically join our premium group for some daily analysis, price target. We got some amazing fabulous trade setup. Okay, you name it, BNB, okay, balancer, okay, you name it, EOS, okay, EGLD, dot, okay, you name it, compound, BZRX, BT, even BTC down, okay, okay, BTC down, BLZ. We got some crazy setup, OXT, you name it, guys. So you can join our our premium group for these multi-month setups, where you just buy and sit on it and get some massive return on these setups, right? With these setups. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.